Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. National Under-22 assistant coach Meron Gordon believes a lack of time to settle along with harsh weather conditions contributed to the team's heavy defeat in the Korean Challenge Cup against Japan in Nagasaki. The team returned to the island on Monday, and Simon Preston got the reactions from the traveling delegation.
The 9-0 hammering against Japan was the biggest loss Jamaica ever received at youth level. Assistant coach Meron Gordon spoke of the challenges associated with the game.
Weather really played a vital role in the result and in how the guys played. We traveled for 3 days. Basically, we left here the 23rd. We reached the 26th, played the game the 28th. That's a lot of traveling. 1 day to recover and play. So it was a lot of factors, but it's a learning experience, and hopefully we can learn from it and move on.
General Secretary of the JFF, Dalton Wint, explained why the team only arrived in Japan a little over 48 hours before kickoff.
Well, we have to understand that there is financial constraint when we have these games, both on the Japan part and our part. It is very costly to travel to that part of the world to play a game, so we just have to make do with the experience that we have garnered and ensure that next time we do better.
Senior reggae boy Peter Lee Vassell was critical of the team's performance.
I thought it was a tough game. It was a bad loss by us and poor performance, and we could say many things caused this result, but enough things are left unsaid, and so I just have to say it was a poor result by the team. Yeah, because many of us never played in cold weather before. Like, it was 2 Celsius there, so many of us never play even against maybe 20 Celsius before, so the weather is a big fall.
Another national player, Jordan Fletcher, says the game was an eye-opener for the team.
We didn't really prepare enough, so that's the reason we lost that much, and we just need to regroup and come again. That was a learning process for us.
Wint spoke about one positive that was accomplished from this encounter.
And one of the things that we have gotten out of this meeting, of this game, is an opportunity to meet with the Japan FA and to have a discussion for better things to happen in the near future.
Out of the 26 squad players, 9 of them already had caps at the senior level. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.